Attention all viewers, may I bring your attention to the box on the screen. It will be revealed shortly, and as always, thanks for watching, Trap Vision 3D.
What's going on, yo, man? What's happening, family, man? Welcome in. Just come on. All right, man, I hate to go through all that dramatic, man, but I'm telling you, what I'm about to unbox right now may not be hype for you, but it's definitely hype for me, man. Now, before I unbox this right here, and after this, man, y'all can go back to what y'all was doing, watching the days, my Medo, man. I've been on this thing. I'm on the Medo kick, loving it, but first and foremost, I have to give thanks or blame to the source. He know who he is. I didn't know anything about this actual company, but this is like the micro brands, like just apex predator type of watch, right? And it's crazy because I've seen all of the hype built around it. I've seen so many people talk about this online. The big YouTubers have talked about it. The smaller YouTubers talked about it. Everybody. And then you type it in Google, man. It's like one of the most sought after watches. And it's been seen. I saw this. Literally saw this. There was a countdown for this watch right after Christmas. And that's when I ordered it. And I just got it in. And what's crazy, I was on Watch Crunch and I was seeing people posting. I said, oh, wait. When did you get yours? Because I've been waiting forever. And it is finally here. And I think that it was worth the wait. Possibly. I don't know. I got it right here. So, y'all ready for this unboxing, man? Let's get into it. Okay, who cares about a knife right now, man? I'm going in this thing, man, just raw. Because, one, I don't know what I did with my knife from last night. And I'm going into this plastic from DHL, which DHL, shout out, man, this plastic's tough. I'm pretty sure there was a easier way. Do y'all know what it is? Do y'all know what it is? Boom, baby. Ah, that man finally got himself a Zelos. Okay, you have to forgive me because innovative watchmaking that dares. www.zeloswatch.com. Okay. Oh, what was that? What was this? Something just fell. Dude. Hold on, what was all that? Okay, it was something. What? Yo, look at the business card on. Oh my gosh. Okay, date 1/2024, series 131, Zelos. This is metal, y'all. It's metal. And it comes in such a beautiful case. Black tip goodness, baby. Ooh, look at this watch roll. Hold up, wait a minute. Hold up. You can tell I'm not used to stuff. Hold up, man. Hold on. How do you get this thing out? Wait. Okay, hold up. Y'all forgive me for my ignorance. I didn't know. You got to just pull it up. Oh, pull it off. Yeah. I finally got it. And yo, look at that. The laser beams, It's not, okay, so in the daylight, it's sun. You know what I'm saying? But that, man, look at the darkness on that black tip. Hold up, wait, because I heard this online. Oh! Yeah. Ooh. It's grippy.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Okay, all right. Yeah. Oh, man, hold up. Oh, hold up. Ooh, that shark, it bit me too on the hand. Just did. Oh, let me not do it like I did my, when I was unboxing my, hold up, matter of fact. I unboxed this yesterday and I had it upside down again. Boom, there we go. But yeah, I got it. It's here. It's mine. I dig it. Now, all I have to do is size it, put it on my wrist. Y'all stay tuned for what I think of this watch, man. And for right now, Yo, this thing, man, I don't know what, man. This is cold. This is cold, boy. Hey, man, this is well worth the wait, man. So, all right, y'all, I'm out of here, man. I'm about to go to church. So, drill lugs. Okay, we'll get into it at a later date, man. Thank y'all for watching, man. Y'all already know. Until the next lightning strike, y'all be blessed.